Hello, welcome. If you're interested in learning PHP, this is probably a good course to start with. This course is for beginners or someone who just wants to learn a little bit more about PHP. It is a crash course, so you're going to learn a lot of information. You're going to absorb a lot of knowledge in about 80 minutes. And you're going to learn everything from variables to who uses PHP to how to install PHP on your laptop and how to write PHP, functions, variables, if statements, conditionals. You're going to learn about all this stuff. And then at the end, you're going to learn how to take a form and actually use some user input in your application. Now, if that sounds great to you, then feel free to step inside. But if you're looking for a course that's 19 hours, 20 hours long about PHP, unfortunately, this is not the course for you. Again, this is just a crash course. This will get your feet wet. This will get you some immediate experience with PHP, and all in less than an hour and a half. So again, if that sounds great to you, feel free to step inside and we'll get started right away.